Hi guys, welcome back to the Little Piece of Heaven Farm, and today when I got home from work, I had a big surprise, this box. And to tell you the truth, I'm hoping it's my vegetable chopper, but I don't remember. I thought it was coming next week. But anyway, let's see what's going on. We're going to have an unboxing here. Okay. Yes, it's my veg chopper. And this is a picture of it. You guys can see that. And this is the handle. And this is the blades. Wow, this guy's pretty heavy. I've been wanting a food chopper, and I brought in this little table so I can do stuff with this box. Don't feel it, but yeah. Oh my God, it's pretty big. Let's see. We are gonna have fun with this. It is already pretty cool. Get a workout just picking it up. But yeah, guys, how cool is this? Put your veg in there and then bring it down and slice it. There's 3 different sizes. Comes with it, and you can order different blades for this, which is pretty cool. So this is like the medium grade blade on there, and then I got the little tiny blades. Can you see that? Then the real big ones. That's pretty cool. I really like it. And I got this online, and to be honest with you, I got it on eBay, and I bought it new. But I'll try to find a link maybe to something like this close on Amazon if you guys want that, and link it to you. But yeah, it's my new food chopper. I think it's going to be great. Yeah, that's going to work out great. I'm going to have fun smushing vegetables, making homemade fries and stuff like that. Anyway, guys, this is my unboxing video, my first one, and it's pretty cool. Thanks for coming by the farm today and hanging out with me and unboxing our new toy for 2021 cannon season. This is going to be great. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Have a great one.